Teacher Day Anchoring Script with Script Saki 2026. Now let's begin. Teachers Day Special, the hands that shape our future. Welcome or opening Anchor 1. Good morning, everyone. Today is not just another day on our school calendar. Today is a day to celebrate the people who teach us more than what is written in our books. They teach us to dream, to try, to fall, to rise, and to believe in ourselves. Anchor 2, and sometimes, a teacher doesn't just teach a lesson. A teacher becomes the reason a student discovers a talent, finds courage, or simply says, yes, I can do it. So today, we have gathered to celebrate those very special people. Our wonderful teachers. Anchor 1, before we begin, let's play a tiny game. When I say, who teaches us? You say, our teachers. Ready? Who teaches us? Audience, our teachers. Who inspires us? Audience, our teachers. Who believes in us? Audience, our teachers. And who deserves the biggest applause today? Audience, our teachers. Anchor 2, that's the spirit. Let's give our teachers one more huge round of applause. Welcoming the guests, principal or teachers. Anchor 1, with hearts filled with gratitude and smiles filled with memories, we warmly welcome our respected principal, esteemed management, wonderful teachers, supporting staff and all our dear students to this special celebration. Anchor 2, today, the classroom has come onto the stage. The blackboard has become a backdrop, and our hearts have become the pages on which we write one beautiful word, thank you. Why do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Anchor 1, but why do we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September? Anchor 2, Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, philosopher, scholar and former President of India. Anchor 1, when his students wanted to celebrate his birthday, he suggested that the day be celebrated as Teachers' Day instead. Anchor 2, and what a beautiful thought that was. Because education is not only about celebrating a person, it is about celebrating the noble profession of teaching. Importance of teachers in our lives. Anchor 1, a teacher enters a classroom with a lesson, but often leaves a student with something much more valuable, confidence. Anchor 2, teachers teach us mathematics, science, languages and so much more. But they also teach us patience, discipline, kindness, courage and the importance of never giving up. Anchor 1, sometimes, just 3 simple words from a teacher can change everything. I believe in you. Teachers' Day thought. Anchor 2, there is a beautiful Sanskrit saying, Gurur Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara. A teacher is compared to the divine because a teacher creates, guides and transforms. Anchor 1, and today, we celebrate every teacher who has guided a student not only towards the right answer, but towards the right path. Lamp lighting, inauguration, optional. Anchor 1, to begin this auspicious celebration, we request our respected dignitaries to kindly come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Anchor 2, may this light represent knowledge, wisdom, hope and the bright future of every student. We request everyone to kindly join us for this special moment. Prayer, Saraswati Vandana, optional. Anchor 1, every beautiful beginning starts with a moment of gratitude and prayer. Anchor 2, let us seek the blessings of the Almighty and Goddess Saraswati, the symbol of knowledge and wisdom. We now invite our students to present the prayer, Saraswati Vandana. First cultural performance. Anchor 1, and now, enough talking. Because today, our students have something special prepared for the people who make every school day special. Anchor 2, so, teachers, sit back, relax, smile, and get ready to enjoy a celebration created especially for you. Both, let the celebration begin. Anchor 1, to begin this beautiful celebration, we invite our talented students to present a performance filled with joy, energy and gratitude. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. After the performance. Anchor 2, wow, that was not just a performance. That was a little, thank you, wrapped in music and movement. Anchor 1, and teachers, if you smiled during that performance, mission accomplished. Student speech. Anchor 2, sometimes, the simplest words carry the deepest feelings. And now, one of our students is ready to express what teachers truly mean to us. Please welcome, name, from, class, to deliver a special Teachers' Day speech. Let's encourage them with a warm round of applause. One sentence for my teacher. Anchor 1, now comes one of our favorite moments. Imagine you could give your teacher just one sentence today. What would you say? Anchor 2, maybe, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for making learning fun. Or simply, thank you for being my teacher. Anchor 1, because sometimes the smallest words carry the biggest feelings. Teacher's Day Poem, optional. Anchor 2, a poem can say what the heart sometimes cannot. And now, we invite Name from class to present a special poem dedicated to our wonderful teachers. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Teacher's Day Special Song. Anchor 1. A teacher's influence cannot always be seen, but it can be heard in a student's confidence, seen in their achievements, and felt in the memories they carry forever. Anchor 2. And now, our students are ready to express their gratitude through a special song dedicated to our teachers. Please put your hands together for Teacher, our guiding light. Teacher-student fun activity, optional. Anchor 1. Teachers, we have spent so much time talking about you. Now it's time for a little fun. Anchor 2. We invite our teachers and students to join us for a special activity prepared especially for today. So teachers, get ready to smile, participate and enjoy. Teacher Felicitation Ceremony. Anchor 1. Every teacher deserves recognition, not only for the lessons they teach, but for the countless little things they do every single day. Anchor 2. The extra explanation, the encouraging smile, the second chance, the gentle correction, and the belief that says, you can be better. Anchor 1. Now, we move towards a special moment of appreciation as we honor our wonderful teachers. May we request Name, designation, to kindly come forward for the felicitation ceremony. Special tribute to teachers. Anchor 2. Some teachers become part of our school memories, but a few become part of who we are. Anchor 1. Their lessons may begin inside a classroom, but their influence can stay with us long after we leave it. And now, our students have prepared a special tribute to express their love and gratitude to our teachers. Principal's Address. Anchor 2. A school is guided not only by its teachers, but also by the vision and leadership that brings everyone together. Anchor 1. We are honored to invite our respected principal, Name, to share a few words with us on this special occasion. May we welcome our principal with a huge round of applause. Vote of thanks. Anchor 1. Every beautiful celebration has many people behind it, people who planned, guided, performed, supported and made this day possible. Anchor 2. And now, it is time to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this Teacher's Day celebration so special. But this time, we won't do it ourselves, because gratitude sounds even more beautiful when it comes from a student's heart. Anchor 1. So, we invite child's name from class to come forward and deliver the vote of thanks. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Anchor 2, over to you. Name. National Anthem, optional, according to school program. Anchor 1. As we conclude today's celebration, let us stand together with pride and respect for our nation. Anchor 2, may I request everyone to kindly stand for the National Anthem. Closing. Anchor 1. As we come to the end of this beautiful celebration, let us remember, the best way to thank a teacher is not only with words, but by becoming the person they always believed we could become. Anchor 2. So, to every teacher who has ever said, you can do it. Thank you. To every teacher who stayed patient. Thank you. To every teacher who believed in us. Thank you. Both. Happy Teacher's Day. And remember, a teacher teaches a lesson, but a great teacher leaves a legacy. Anchor 1. And with that beautiful thought, we come to the end of our Teacher's Day celebration. Anchor 2. Thank you for being a wonderful audience and for making this celebration so special. Both. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making your teachers proud. Happy Teacher's Day once again. Until we meet again, keep inspiring, keep believing, keep shining. Script Saki guiding teachers or students, thank you, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and follow us for more videos.